Hey guys, it's Finch, welcome back to the channel. First things first, I want to thank you all for all the subs that I'm getting lately. It's amazing, I love the support. I mean, it's just the beginning, I guess, maybe, but I love you all so much, and I'm so grateful. Today gonna be a little different because there's not enough time for me to get to the city, so I'm not gonna be able to do city observation vlog as usual lately. So I decided to do something, I don't know, just ride shit vlog, something like that, who knows. Anyways, I have news about the gloves, and turns out even the shop from Germany has its issues with a supplier, so they are waiting for the gloves to come, and it will be there in September, like September the 7th or something like that. That's kind of bummer because I didn't want to wait that long, and I'm gonna have to anyways. So yeah, that sucks. But what can you do? What can you do? Not much, really, not much. I'm gonna wait till September to get my gloves that I already paid for like weeks ago, at this point, weeks ago. That sucks. Well, nothing else for me to do at this point. Another thing is, did you hear that? Come on! How can you not love these bikes and these engines? Because they are amazing. These engines are amazing. Inline 4 600cc, man, it's just insane. It's insane what these engines can do. I love this so much. So fucking much. Jesus Christ, so much traffic. But anyways, dirt bike for the winter, yeah, that's the main topic I want to talk about. I kinda wonder if it's really necessary for me to get 300cc dirt bike, because come on, the smaller bike is gonna be lighter, and I can get rid of it after winter, basically for the same price, I guess, I hope. I mean, why not? I can get used for pretty cheap, I guess. They are not for sale now because everyone riding, but I guess they will be for sale in a month or two maybe, and by that time I'm gonna be ready, my resources are gonna be allocated, and I'm ready to go, man. So I'm gonna observe the market, wait patiently, and jump on the dirt bike as soon as I can. I guess, I hope. So with all that said, I guess this is the end of today's episode, because I want to turn around and enjoy the twisties again. So yeah, take care, ride safe, till next time, peace.